Krishna's coin. In a village lived a poor priest. He was a great devotee of Lord Krishna. He used to go from house to house and seek alms from the people. People used to give him food or money and the priest would bless them. Lord Krishna decided to test the priest. One day, when the priest was walking along the river, he found a bag full of gold coins. He was very happy and he decided to keep the bag with himself. On his way back home, he saw a beggar. The beggar asked him to give some food or money. The priest shouted at the beggar and did not give him anything. As the priest continued walking towards his home, on the way he saw a diamond shimmering on the ground. He said to himself, "Oh, what a lucky day! First the gold coins and now the diamonds. Wow!" As soon as he bent down to take the diamond, a thief jumped from behind, grabbed the bag of gold coins and ran away. The diamond was just a piece of glass that the thief used to fool the poor man. The priest was disheartened. He continued walking towards his home. Lord Krishna took the avatar of a common man and decided to meet the priest. Lord Krishna met the priest on his way. Krishna gave the priest a metal coin and said, "Please accept this coin." The priest took the coin from Krishna and Krishna walked away. The priest wondered, "What is this? What am I going to do with it? I don't think I will get anything for this metal coin." On his way back home, he saw a fisherman with a couple of fish in his net. The priest felt pity for the fish. He said to the fisherman, "Take this metal coin and in return, give me these 2 fishes." The fisherman agreed. The priest placed the fish in a pot with water and went home. He said to himself, "Tomorrow I will leave the fish in the river." The next day, when he went to the river to leave the fish in the water, he was amazed by what he discovered. There were 2 diamonds in the water. The priest was very happy, but he did not understand how this had happened. He prayed to Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna appeared in front of him. The priest said, "My lord, what is happening? I am really confused." Lord Krishna said, "The fish had accidentally swallowed diamonds when they were in the river. They gave you the diamonds for saving their life." The priest burst into tears of joy and thanked Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna said, "You got a bag full of gold coins, but did not help the beggar. Because of your greed for the diamond, you lost the coins to the thief. Always remember to help others and do not be greedy." The priest promised Lord Krishna that he will always help others.
I'm sure you enjoyed watching this video. Please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and watch more interesting videos.